In this video, I will show you how to disable function keys in Windows 10 or 11. Guys, method for disabling and turn off function keys different as PC and as laptop companies. You can try this method to enable and disable. Firstly, try escape key and function key together. Function key and escape key together and check it's disabled or not. So this is the first way you can try to disable function key. Press and hold together function key and escape key. And the second method, if this not work, so press and hold function key and caps together and try. So this way guys, you can disable function keys in your Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching.